Hello children, today in this video we are going to see about how to enter text in a document and how to format text by changing its font style, font color, etc. Okay children, so let's see first how to enter text in a document. So entering text. Creating a document is only the first step in the MS Word. So in the last video we have seen briefly how to create a document and we have seen about types of document. Yes. So creating a document is the first step in the MS Word. The key to any document is its content. Okay, so the key to any document is its content. And in a blank document, we can see the blinking cursor. So the position of the blinking cursor, it will mark the current location where we want to type. Okay, so when after creating a blank document, in the document area you can see the blinking cursor which will mark the current location where we can start typing. So document area you have seen in the MS Word screen itself. So it is the area where you type your text. Okay, and there will be a flashing or blinking cursor, flashing vertical bar which is called as insertion point, and it will represent the location where the text will appear when you type. So keep the cursor at the text insertion point and start typing the text. Blinking cursor is also called as insertion point. Here in this picture you can see this is the document area where you can type the text. So the insertion point or the blinking cursor will indicate the current location where we can start our typing. So here I have typed two words, that is hello word. So from where the blinking cursor is there, from there we will start to type. You do not need to press enter to start a new line. Okay, so as the insertion point reaches the end of the line, Word automatically starts a new one. We do, even if you want to move to the second line, we do not need to press enter to start a new line. Okay, so insertion point itself reaches the end of the line, Word automatically it will start a new line. You will need to press enter to add a new paragraph. So if we want to add new paragraph or if you want to start new paragraph, you can press enter. When you want to add more than one space between words, use the tab key instead of space bar. Okay, so usually we used to leave space between the words using space bar key, isn't it? But if you want to add more than one space between words, you can use the tab key instead of the space bar. This way you can properly align the word or align the text by using the proportional fonts. By pressing the enter key, you can start new paragraph, and to add extra space between paragraph, you can press enter as many times as you want. So if you have to add extra space between the paragraph, you can press enter. Okay. Then you can also use the combination of Alt key plus enter to add a blank line without breaking a paragraph. So in between the paragraph, without breaking a paragraph, if you want to leave a blank line, you can use the combination. So you should press Alt key plus enter. So both together if you are pressing, you can leave a blank line without breaking a paragraph. To remove the cursor in a document, you can click where you want to insert text or use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor to that location. So we want to move the cursor in the location where we want to insert text. So just you can click where you want to insert text, and or otherwise you can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor to left or right or up or down arrow. So there will be an arrow keys which help you to move the cursor to up, down or right or left. Okay. And next, how to format text. Okay, so we have entered particular text or particular word in a Word document, and we have to now format the text. Okay, so how to format text? Formatting means if you want to change the appearance of text displayed to a user in a document. Okay, so if you want to change the size or font style or font color, okay, so you can use the formatting text. So formatting means we are changing the appearance of the text which is displayed by us in a document. Formatting includes changing the font and size of your text, then position of text on the page, color of the text, etc. Okay, it also includes font style, font size, alignment, which are applied to any document that you create. So first in the formatting test you can see how to change the font style. So it is used to refer to the typescript or writing style. Font style means the style of writing. Okay, writing style in the text that is used to display the text that you have written. You can use the font drop down menu on the home tab. So if you are seeing in the home tab, you can see font drop down menu to change the font style. Now here you can see steps to change the font style. Select the text you want. So which text you want to change its size, just the style of the font, which words font style you want to change. You just select the text you want to change and click the font drop down arrow button on the home tab. Okay, so I have told that home tab contain one button, that is font drop down arrow button. So just click that. First you select the text you want to change and just click the font drop down arrow button on the home tab. Then click the font you want to apply. So here you can see in the home tab I told that there will be a font drop down menu. Yes, so here it is. So in this you can see different font style. So you just select the text you want to change its font style and just select the font style. There are different font style which you need. According to your need, you can just change the font style. Once you click it, automatically the selected text will get the particular font style. So here you can see the selected text got the new font. As Word applies the new font to the selected text. Now next is about how to change font size. Okay, so we can change the size of the font in the text. For this, select the text which is to be changed. Then click the font size. So for this also we are going to click the same font size drop down arrow button in the home tab. And there you can see the size. font size. Click the size you want to apply. So here you can see in the home tab, I told that there is a drop down, font drop down menu. In that you can see here size. Yes, so according to your need you can change the size to the particular text, and you can change the font size. Word applies the new size. So in the last picture you can see the size of the word is very small. As we applied 12 means, then the size of the word applies the new size. The word applies the new size, and the size of the font in the text have changed and it become enlarged. You can also use the Ctrl plus Shift key and Ctrl plus Shift greater than keys to increase or decrease the font size. Okay, so if you want to increase the font size, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus increase button, and you can use Ctrl or plus Shift plus decrease button for decreasing the font size. Now about font color. We can change the color of the font in the text. Okay, how? Select the text that you want to edit and click the same thing, the font color drop down arrow button on the home tab. So there you can see font color drop down arrow button on the home tab. Just click that, and there you just click on a color of your choice. So which color you want, in according to your need, you can select the color and change it. So here you can see this is called as what? Color. Okay, so font sorry, you can see here the font color drop down arrow button. Okay, on the home tab, click on the color of your choice, and if you click the color of your choice, now we can see here the word applies the new color to the selected text. Okay, so according to your choice, you can select the color which you want to apply to the particular text. So I hope that you all understood about how to format the text and how to enter the text in a document. Thank you, children.